Hey there, fellow riders! Are you on the hunt for the creme de la creme of motorcycle tires? Well, your search ends right here, right now. Say hello to the European Goldentyre.shop, now available online at www.Goldentyre.shop. No more tire treading around town looking for Goldentyre tires. With just a few clicks, you can have them delivered straight to your doorstep. Whether you're tearing up the track in motocross, dominating the trails in enduro, or embarking on epic adventures with your BMW GS, Africa Twin, Yamaha Tenere, Ducati Desert X, and KTM adventure. In Goldentyre, we've got the perfect tires for every occasion, no matter where your journey takes you. Whether you're cruising down the endless highway or tearing up the dirt trails, whether you're a speed-hungry racer or a thrill-seeking adventurer, we've got your tire needs covered. www.Goldentyre.shop has got your back, front, and all the curves in between covered. Don't settle for anything less than the best when it comes to your ride. Get your hands on Goldentyre motorcycle tires hassle-free and lightning fast. So what are you waiting for? Head over to www.Goldentyre.shop today and experience the ultimate convenience of premium tires delivered right to you. Get ready to roll out with confidence and style. Order your Goldentyre motorcycle tires now, and let's hit the road together. Thanks a million for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more thrilling updates and exclusive offers. Until next time, ride safe and ride happy.